just start from abnormal LFTs and severity of COVID-19 just to show you if there is more severe COVID, the enzymes could be more deranged. And if the person has enzymes which are very high, let's say above 400 or so, then one should look for underlying chronic liver disease, hepatitis A, B, or E. Review medications that drug toxicity has not occurred and correct hypoxia, hypotension in that patient. And normally we monitor. We will not put such patients with high liver enzymes onto a protocol, and N-acetylcysteine, the simple glutathione refurbisher, can be given to this patient. Briefly, what about the underlying other chronic liver diseases, such starting from fatty liver? Now, fatty liver, as Dr. Duseja has just said, could have a large spectrum. It could be just pure fatty liver with hepatitis, with fibrosis, cirrhosis, or liver cancer. This slide tells you the new terminology: metabolic dysfunction associated fatty liver disease. From NAFLD to MAFLD, all diabetics have fatty liver metabolic dysfunction. All overweight and obese will have a dysfunction of metabolism. The normal weight for Asians less than 23 BMI, if they have large waist, high BP, or high triglycerides, or low HDL, or pre-diabetics, these patients, if two or metabolic factors are there, they should also be screened for fatty liver. So you now know, the patient walks into your room and you can say, look, you need, you don't need. This is an important slide just to tell you that every obese person is not bad. He could be metabolically healthy. Similarly, every lean or normal weight is not healthy. It could be metabolically unhealthy. But generally, where BMI is high, disease is more severe. Lancet study shows, and even the vaccine efficacy may be lower. Fatty liver, if the liver has more than 10% fat, normally less than 5%, and it is whitish, compared like this is the skin, underlying muscle, this is subcutaneous fat, and this is the liver, rounded margins, fat. The liver and spleen should have same eco texture. Kidney is slightly darker, but if the liver is more like fat, you can say it is grade 2 fatty liver. Normally in COVID, we say, oh, age above 60 or has comorbidities of diabetes or others. But fatty liver alone, the odds ratio is 6.4 compared to any other comorbidity. So fatty liver makes the most important, strong indicator of severity of COVID infection. This is because liver has maximum number of macrophages, Kupffer cells, and these release lot of inflammatory cytokines. Immunity is low and the disease progresses. As I said, fatty liver is core to development of cardiovascular complications. This Hoon study is very famous. A 26-year-old boy, if he has an SGPT of 80, the chance of his having first heart attack at 36 is 7 times higher. We believe diabetes is a liver disease. It is the liver, the fat in the hepatocytes, because of which insulin cannot work. More and more insulin is produced, and finally, pancreas gets exhausted and diabetes develops. Fatty liver, gallstones, cancers are extremely common in patients who have fatty liver, and so is CKD. Fatty liver is seen in about 30% and diabetes in about 10%. So those who have diabetes, fatty liver predates by about 20 years, 15 years or so. So we believe diabetes is a liver disease. Insulin resistance leading to excessive pancreatic utilization and diabetes. Let's look at some other involvements like, for example, those who have got underlying chronic liver disease. So pre-existing chronic hepatitis or cirrhosis. This was the Asian Pacific study on COVID liver injury spectrum. Three things are clear. If person has underlying cirrhosis, is he more predisposed to develop COVID compared to a healthy person? Yes. If the cirrhotic or chronic hepatitis gets COVID, he will get decompensated? Yes. More severe injury and mortality could be higher. We know child score, if it is more than 9, is bad. So if a person with such kind of advanced liver disease gets COVID, mortality could be very high within 4 weeks. This is also proven by the European data. Cirrhosis compared to no cirrhosis at any age has more deaths. Even 20 to 29, a cirrhotic is much more likely to die. Now, hepatitis B and C. The SARS-CoV-2 can get the coronavirus flare. The liver injury can be flared. However, the liver injury in hepatitis B is not more lethal. What is interesting is tenofovir, which is used for hepatitis B. This is a drug which prevents conversion of HBV RNA to single-stranded HBV DNA. Now, how does hepatitis B multiply? It is a DNA virus. It has 2 strands. It comes to nucleus, multiplies. One RNA, HBV RNA is formed. RNA converts to HBV DNA single strand, which becomes double strand and is released. Tenofovir stops conversion of single strand RNA to DNA. Now the same thing it can work on COVID, on the coronavirus. So it has been very recently shown tenofovir can stop replication of SARS-CoV-2, and it does it by terminating the RNA-dependent RNA polymerase of coronavirus. The message is people who are on tenofovir due to hepatitis B as an antiviral are more protected from corona. People are now using tenofovir, even sofosbuvir, which is used for hepatitis C, to inhibit corona. Both of them have the same mechanism. Sof as well as tenofo have same mechanism. So antivirals, whether it is for hepatitis B or C or even for corona, may have basic same application of preventing RNA to replicate. This is some data, very recent, from ILBS. Those who survive versus those who die. These are all cirrhosis patients. Now, those who die have more jaundice, they have ascites, and they have coma, hepatic coma. They also have more respiratory failure, kidney. So people who die are more sick. Now, liver transplant and COVID. Very briefly, these people need to go to hospital often. They need more ICU. The mortality is high. Liver injury can be seen in about 40% or so, 35% or so, same as in the other groups. Also, that the patients who are on a post-transplant, they require longer stay in the hospital. So I will just summarize some part of it and then I'll take some other area. Liver injury, COVID is causing proportional to its severity. Patients can get acute liver failure. If underlying chronic liver disease, we call it acute on chronic. Obese, fatty liver are worse. Pre-existing cirrhosis worse. You can manage hepatitis B and C comfortably. Liver cancer also. And please continue to do autoimmune also. Some patients with autoimmune, after giving COVID vaccine, have flare also. Post-transplant, COVID can determine the outcome, but it is now global recommendation that treat, vaccinate chronic liver disease on priority. Of course, prevention remains crucial. Now, these are some slides which will support what Dr. Doseja has said. What is the liver way forward? First is remember liver metabolic factory as well as the regenerate people. But the guy who is coming for vaccination for COVID is a diabetic, is overweight. Would you not like to educate them? As an institute of eminence, it will be our duty to identify those with comorbidities who are coming as general public. Also, please get your liver checked. Question is, am I fatty liver? And it can be done, taught even to workers, to even the ladies down in village. How? If there is a family history of diabetes, blood pressure, heart disease, liver, gallstone, mother, father, brother, then you are suffering. If you find your weight, height minus 100, let's say 170 centimeter boy, and he should be 70. Height minus 100 is your weight. For females, 105. 170 minus 105. Ultrasound, ALT, lipids, and sugar. Available, fibrosis, and most important is your attitude. भाई उसके लिवर में फैट है, सा अल्ट्रासाउंड होगा भाई, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, खा लो आ जा. Do remember that there may not be tomorrow. Liver fat. So all the learning and all those that please develop a dedicated health and share and take your advice. AIIMS large, good focus is possible in the region. 2021 benefit after 10 years. Sense of communicable disease. So reduce fat is in Jodhpur. With this, it is my humble submission. Maybe I am biased, but I think scientifically a healthy liver will give us all India. And one more time, I want to profusely thank the whole team from AIIMS Jodhpur for sparing time. And my apologies due to some internet problems. We kept you waiting. It has my apologies from everyone. Thank you.